In the blockchain and cryptocurrency space, there's so many different projects that you either want to invest in, support, or you want to contribute to. And in many cases, or most cases actually, they require different types of tokens or cryptocurrency. Some projects you need Tron. Other projects you need BNB because they're actually in the Binance Smart Chain. Or others might be located in the Ethereum network and you need Ethereum. However, you might be just holding Bitcoin or you're holding another coin and you need to swap them. And unfortunately, in the cryptocurrency space, there's so many different ways you can swap, right? So I'm gonna show you one of the most simple, most fastest way that you can swap one cryptocurrency or another using Changelly right here in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to Passive Income Group, where we show you how to generate a passive income within the digital space. My name is Tuan, and after you watch this video, if you feel that it's added any type of value to you at all, definitely smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and definitely ring that bell so that way you get notified every single time that we actually upload a video. So today we're gonna go over Changelly, and I love this platform because you can swap from one cryptocurrency to the other and right to its destination wallet address within minutes. Unlike other type of exchanges where you have to do KYC, you have to do all these different things before you can actually swap a simple cryptocurrency. It could get very overwhelming. Changelly makes it really easy for you. So let's get right to it. All right, to give you a walkthrough on how to use Changelly, I purchased some Bitcoin over at Cash App, and my objective is to be able to send that Bitcoin from Cash App to Changelly to get it swapped and actually have it sent to my wallet in Tron Link. Okay, so that's my objective. Today, I'm gonna swap from Bitcoin to Tron and I'm gonna have it sent to my Tron Link wallet. Now you can use this example on any type of cryptocurrency. For example, let's say you actually have Bitcoin in KuCoin or in Coinbase, and you need to swap it to, let's say, Binance Coin, BNB, and you can actually have it swapped on Changelly right to your Trust wallet. You can do that as well. But in this example, I'm gonna show you how to swap it from Cash App to Changelly and have it sent right to my Tron Link wallet. So let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do is download Changelly. And right below this video, I have actually included a setup link. Just go ahead and go right underneath this video in the information section. There will be a setup link that is associated to Changelly. Click on that, and that's gonna prompt you to download the app immediately. Once you download the app, you're gonna be able to actually see this front page where it actually shows you the green exchange now, or you're gonna see that rocket ship. It's the same thing, so you're just gonna go and click on anything that's green, exchange now, or exchange right below. Once you click on that, it's going to ask you what you want to exchange. And so in this example, I actually purchased some Bitcoin over at Cash App. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hover right over to Cash App and actually look at exactly how much I want to swap. Okay, so here I am in Cash App, and I'm gonna go and click on that Bitcoin logo. And as you can see, I have approximately $93.10 worth of Bitcoin, and I am going to hover down. And I can see here I have 0.00269,206, and I'm just going to keep it simple, and I'm going to swap 0.0026. So let me hover back to Changelly. Okay, I'm back, so I'm going to put 0.0026, and in this example I want to swap Bitcoin for Tron. So I'm going to click on the Ethereum, I'm going to put TRX, press done. And once I complete this transaction, I will be able to swap 0.0026 worth of BTC, and I will receive approximately 1,366.135 worth of Tron. I'm gonna press next step. And in this page, it's gonna ask me, where do I want to receive my Tron? So this is my destination address. So it's not only gonna swap it for me, but it's going to send my Tron to my destination of where I want to receive it. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually send it to my Tron Link wallet. So let me go and hover over there. So here's my Tron Link. I opened up my wallet, I clicked on receive, and here's my wallet address. I'm gonna go and copy that. And I'm gonna hover back over to Changelly and paste this exact wallet address where it says destination TRX wallet. Here I am back at Changelly. I'm gonna go ahead and paste that. Here we go. And now I'm gonna press next step. So in this page, it's just gonna confirm to me that I will send 0.0026 BTC, and I'm gonna receive approximately 1,366 worth of Tron, and it's going to be sent to this destination wallet address, and the fee will be approximately 35.4 in TRX, which is pretty quite inexpensive, to be honest with you. It's gonna arrive in about 5 minutes to 30 minutes. I'm gonna go and press exchange, and in this page, it's actually telling me to send 0.0026 BTC to this address. So I'm going to copy the address and I'm going to hover back over, in this example, Cash App to send 0.0026. So let me go right over there. So I'm back in Cash App. I'm going to go ahead and scroll up. There is an arrow button right here. I'm going to click that to send, and I'm going to swap the dollar sign to BTC. And here I'm going to type out exactly what Changelly asked me to send. So I'm going to send 0.0026, and that's going to give me 89.96 worth of BTC sent over. I'm going to press send next, and here I'm going to paste the address. So I just pasted the address, but I want to double confirm before I actually press next. I'm going to look at the last letters, and it appears that it is exactly the same. So I'm going to click on the blue on the bottom, and then I'm going to press next. On this page is just confirming that I am going to send 0.0026. So I've already confirmed it. So I'm going to press confirm. I'm going to go and enter my cash pin. And it's initiate a withdrawal of 0.0026 BTC. I'm going to press done. And you can see it right there that the Bitcoin is already initiated to leave my wallet over in Cash App, and it's being sent to Changelly to get swapped. I'm going to go and hover over Changelly real quick. Now back at Changelly, I can press this X right here on the top right. And once I X'd out, it's going to take me to this page right here. And you can see here it says not paid. So what this means is that it hasn't received the Bitcoin. So what this means is that it hasn't been notified by the blockchain that Cash App has sent it over yet. And it hasn't been confirmed. Once the blockchain receives the payment, you'll notice that it will say confirming. This may take between 5 minutes to 30 minutes. And for some of you that just created your account, whether it's in Cash App or an exchange that you're using, it may take a little bit of time to actually get your KYC verified. So make sure that you have verified either your KYC or your security measures over at your exchange. And then once that's done, then you should be receiving it within 5 minutes to 30 minutes. So I am going to come back and actually show you what it looks like when it is confirming and when it's sent over. So that way you have clarity on how this works. So that's pretty much it, you guys. This gives you a quick walkthrough of how to use Changelly. As you can see how simple it really is. All you really have to do is go to Changelly. You put down how much you want to send over, what cryptocurrency you want to swap it to, put the destination address, and then make sure that you go ahead and send it over. It's very much that simple on how to use Changelly. And if you have any questions or you have some comments that you want to actually share, make sure you leave a comment below. If you feel this video has added value to you at all, smash that like button. Definitely hit that subscribe button and also ring that bell so that way you get notified every step of the way. With that, guys, thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video.